So before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol to know the notifications regarding the new videos. Don't forget to comment if my readings are resonated. If it is not resonated, please check my other readings. Please note these are general readings. It may or may not resonate with everyone. So then you also can comment and let me know what type of readings you want next. Okay. If you want personal readings, please check the other description, check the description box for more details. Okay, let's start today's reading. Today I am planning to do what next in your life. It will be May 2020 reading. So I'm doing what next in your life. Maybe it is love, career, finance. It can be anything. So what will be coming next in your life? So we will check. We have 4 piles here. Today I've taken earrings for a change. Okay, red earrings. Second pile is toffee earrings. Third one is grape earrings. Then fourth one is green earrings. Okay, you can choose any pile, friends. You can choose whichever pile you are intuitively connected with. If you need more time, you can pause the video and you can select the pile also. So let's start the first pile reading, which is this red earring. Angels will guide us. They will give us some clarity towards what is happening in this month, May month. What is happening in your life? What is next in your life actually? Okay. This reading is for anybody. It will resonate for singles, couples, then married, unmarried, anybody, lovers. Okay. So this reading will be applicable to anyone. Okay. Okay, pile 1. We will see what will happen for you in your life. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Uriel and Archangel Gabriel, please guide us, give us some clarity. Today I am going to choose in this way. Let us select the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we need 6 cards. Okay, these are our cards and let's flip and see. 4 of Swords, 6 of Pentacles, 5 of Swords, Queen of Cups, 8 of Wands, Ace of Swords. Okay, so this pile energies are looking very good. And I can see you or your person can be air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. Also I can see air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then I can see earth sign also, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Then actually I can see the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Actually, in fact, all the signs are present here, but majorly Aquarius, Libra, Gemini are most prominent in this pile. Okay, so this pile shows, first of all, Ace of Swords is a very positive card, new beginnings, and everything will be new for you, like positive decisions you will be taking in this month. So Ace of Swords gives you a courage, confidence that you can go ahead and you can go ahead with your strength and courage. Okay, this card shows that new beginnings are about to happen. So this card implies that you will have a fast communication. Maybe this is regarding your love. You are receiving some communication from your love or the career, or if you are applying for any jobs, you can hear from them because now it is lockdown going on. Maybe you will hear from them through phone call, email. Maybe some options you must be having for the online jobs or something you have applied for, so you will be receiving that. If it is students who are watching this, then they might hear about the like online classes or something. Then even in this month there might be some conflicts happening. Okay, with this card some conflicts may be happening, and some sneakiness, some deceptive behavior. Then you might be having some disagreements with your family because you all are sitting at home only, so constantly you will be discussing something on some topic, then you will have some arguments. And this Queen of Cups, this is a pure love. I mean, your love life will be very good. You are offering your cup to someone you like. Okay, so maybe this communication and this cup of love, maybe this is regarding your love life only. Maybe the other person or you will be communicating back and forth. So many communications will be happening and very fast communications. So maybe it is a romantic situation, or these three cards are actually very good. So maybe regarding your future, or maybe you are planning to take some decisions. Okay, so this is regarding the back and forth communications in your love life. Then this card shows that Six of Swords shows that this person is moving away from turbulence. Okay, maybe in the past you were undecisive. I mean, you were not able to take any decision. You were confused what to do, what not to do regarding this love life. Maybe you were like in a sad state of mind. Why this is happening to me only? Some disagreements, for some fights, petty arguments with your spouse or your lover or your crush. Disagreements, arguments are happening. Then this card shows that slowly you are moving away. This is not a very fast moving energy, but this shows that you are moving away from the conflicts, and you are going to the calmer waters. Here you can see the turbulence, the water is not still. Okay, so you are going away from the turbulent water to the calm water. That means you will be away from the all the arguments, fights and all. Then you will have a very calm mind. Then you will be able to think positive, like you will be able to take some decision regarding the job or regarding your love life. And this is a very positive card again. Six of Pentacles, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So this shows that this person is ready to accept you, and this person is whomever you are dealing with right now. This person is ready to accept you. He wants to give his love generously to you. Till now he was holding back his feelings or his love towards you. So this person will be generously giving his love to you. So this communications and this will show is showing that he will express his love to you, and you both will be communicating, expressing your feelings to each other. Okay, but these bonds also show that there are some responsibilities, some burdens that you have to overcome. So maybe you both will sit together, talk, and you will discuss what is going to happen, how your future will be. Maybe you both are discussing together, then you are imagining the future or planning for the future, what to do. So this can be either career or love also. This can be anything. So overall you are may month will be very positive and very exciting actually. So you will have lot of new ideas, new beginnings, like what to do, how to do. You will have lot of new things coming in your mind, and you will be definitely discussing with your partner also. This we will do like this, we will do like that. Then this person also generously he is giving his ideas also. He is generously giving his opinions also. He is actually involved in the conversation. So you both will have a very nice time. And even if you are it is regarding the career also, you will have a very good communication, positive communication from the job, like companies or employers and all. So you will have very positive month this May 2020. All the best friends, very good. If you like my reading, please share, like, subscribe to my channel, comment if you like my reading or not. Okay, thank you friends. Next we will go to pile number 2, which is a toffee. Okay, toffee earring. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Uriel, please help us, guide us. Please give us some clarity. Thank you so much. Okay, we need 6 cards. Okay, we got 6 cards. Let's see. Okay, let's see. We have arranged our 6 cards. Let's flip it and know to know what are these cards saying. So first one, Wheel of Fortune. I don't think I need to turn any of the cards because you got Wheel of Fortune. That's it all. I mean, whatever you are reading, it is flipping all around 180 degrees. So you will have definitely positive month, I can say that. Then second card, 6 of Cups. Then 7 of Swords. 8 of Cups. Page of Wands and Ace of Swords. So here I can see a lot of air sign energy and also the water sign energy. Okay, water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then air sign Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So these two I can see clearly, prominently in this reading. Okay, maybe you are air sign or your person, if you are a water sign, your person may be also water sign. I don't know. So these 2 cards are very positive cards, friends. Wheel of Fortune is the wheel is turning into your favor. So this also shows that wherever you started, suppose you are you have some separation or fights or disagreements with your partner or lover or spouse, okay, then this wheel is turning all around like 180 degrees. So the starting, when it started actually, see how it started, your love life, how you started. So starting it will be very attraction will be to so much, then passion will be there, then all lovey-dovey talks and all. So slowly it is going vanishing, like you will be fighting, then you will be arguing with each other, you will be blaming each other. So this Wheel of Fortune says it is turning all around 180 degrees and going back to the whatever the condition you were in the starting. Okay, that means very loving, caring, attraction, passion. Okay, everything will come back to your life. If it is regarding the career also, if you are facing some downfall in your career or some problems in your career, Wheel of Fortune is telling that very soon your things will turn upside down. Okay, that means your hand will be the upper hand in career also. Maybe you are facing some politics in the career, job and all. So you will have a very positive outcome and your value will be increased 10 folds. Okay, so you will have a very good future ahead in this month. Okay, these cups always show that love. Okay, so the first one, this six of cups shows that you are sharing the cups with your loved one, and you are having a very nice time together. Then you are happy, fulfilled and all. But this card shows that there were some disagreements in the past, then some problems, some conflicts in your relationship. Okay, then your person might be walking away from these cups. Okay, or it can be in another words to say, this person was in some third party relationship earlier. Okay, like a karmic partner or a lover, or third party can be anything. Third party can be job also, third party can be long distance also. So this third party is not necessary that he is involved in some other person, people only. So it can be anything. So that person is slowly walking away from that connection, and he is slowly understanding your virtue and value. Then he is thinking that we will have again this kind of a future, this kind of time, so that we can both share our cup of loves, and we will be very very happy, like that this person is dreaming. So in the month of May, maybe you both will have this acknowledgement or awakening actually. So you both might be thinking that, oh, we are, what kind of a beautiful time we had earlier. You will be missing that time actually. Maybe you both are separated, maybe both are because of the lockdown quarantine. You may be somewhere else and this person may be somewhere else. So you are thinking about that, like when I will have good time, you are thinking. And this person also, whenever whichever problems he is having in his love life, or like third party situation or job, so he is planning to move away from that and coming to you. So these two cards will both came side by side. Page of Wands is always regarding the taking action, and it is a communication. Page of Wands actually a young person, charming. Okay, so this person is taking an action. Then this person is want to communicate actually. Page is a messenger. Okay, this person want to communicate his feelings to you. But this one, see, it is in sequence, it is coming actually. This one we have not yet seen. This is Seven of Swords. Okay, Seven of Swords meaning first you had a very nice beginning in your love life, and very nicely you were sharing your feelings, then you are sharing your cup of love. It's very good. Then this one came. So this Seven of Swords meaning this person is a thief or a cunning, mischievous, deceptive person, a young person. Then he's maybe cheating on you, player, like flirt kind of a person. Actually your reading is full of love only. I can't see any career and all. Maybe this month of May you will be involved in the love matters only, rather than the career and finance. Okay. So this person is sneaking away, then he's taking all the swords and smiling and going away. Okay, so this is a sneaky behavior. So maybe you came to know that this person is like that, and you wanted to walk away from this person. Okay, this might be also the energy. The possibilities are so many other options are there, possibilities are there. Like so many people are watching this video, it is a general reading, so there are so many scenarios and situations. Okay, maybe after you came to know that this person is flirt, player, he is not of your type. You are sincere and you are very very nice person, but this person is not reciprocating his love, and he's just playing with your emotions. Then you thought, okay, then if this person is like that, I'll walk away. I don't want his cup of love, because his cup of love is not including commitment, marriage or any settlement. Why should I entertain this connection? Like this is time waste, right? So you are thinking like that, and you are planning to move away. Then this Page of Wands, this energy is coming. Then this person will want to communicate. The message will come to you regarding the love life. Then you will be happy, and Ace of Swords is a new beginning. So new beginning is already there, friends. So everything, whatever happened in the life, see this sword is cutting. So cutting down the BS means you are cutting all the bad things or struggles, or you are cutting with a sharp sword, and you are going ahead, starting a new life, new beginnings. Okay. So very good, friends. Very nice energy. Very nice, friends. All the best. If you like this reading, file number 2, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also comment what video you want next. Thank you. Bye. Now pile number 3, the grape earrings. We will see what is going to happen in your life. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please help us, guide us, and give us some clarity about what is going to happen in our life in the month of May. Okay, we'll see. We maybe need 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see what the card says. Oh, 3 of Swords, 9 of Wands, 10 of Wands, 5 of Swords, 6 of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. Okay. So friends, you have lot of air energy, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then you have Wands energy also, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So there are possibilities of heartbreak. Okay, if you are involved with any other person in a love romantic relationship, so there is a possible heartbreak. Then you are right now in the position of you feel left in cold or betrayal. You are feeling, you are actually angry, upset, and very much in confusion, then painful, sorrow, sadness. Then you are thinking that your heart is broken, heartbroken. You are feeling like, why this happened to me only, why it has to happen to me. So, and you have lot of burdens here. Then you have lot of burdens. Then 9 of swords, nine of wands implies that you will get some communication, and but there is other possibility also. You are having you have lot of burdens that you cannot take care in this connection. So maybe you will be walking away, okay, with all the burdens. You are, see, this card shows you are walking away from this connection, okay. But this here, you have waited for some time for the message or communication from the other person, but slowly you think that you don't deserve this, like this pain, this sorrow. You don't deserve this kind of situation. If that person is not valuing you, giving the respect to you, you don't think that you have to be in this condition forever. So you are planning to walk away from this connection. So you are taking all your burdens, all your thoughts, all your pain. Your heart is very heavy. So you are taking all the burden and you are walking away from this connection. Okay. Then if it is in the career, if you see job and all, so maybe the currently which job you are in right now, so you are not happy with this job. So you were waiting like when I will get promotion, when I will go to the next stage, or when I will get some respectable place. Because right now I am working hard, sincerely, I am putting 100% of my efforts, but I am not getting that recognition. So you are planning that I will walk away. I don't want to be in this condition. I don't want to stay here. I want to move out of this situation, or move out of this job or company. Okay, this can be your condition in the month of May. Hopefully that lockdown and all will lift up and we will resume our daily routine. Then this one, Five of Swords. So Five of Swords again, it shows that people are talking behind your back, backstabbing. Okay, so people are walking away from you, and you are standing alone. Nobody is there. Like you are thinking that all these people are behind me. They are my friends. They are helping me. They are very good friends or family. But they are in front of you. They are talking nicely, and but when the time comes to support you, they are going away. So you are feeling left alone. I am alone here. I don't have anybody here. Like that you were feeling. Okay, at the moment you are feeling very very sad in the month of April. You are very sad, heartbroken. You feel you are left alone in this situation. Nobody is there. No friends, no family, no love. Nothing is there. I am alone. I don't know what to do. So you are standing alone, but you are strong enough. You are a strong person. So you are standing alone and you are waiting what to do. You are ready to face it. Whatever it is, you are ready to face it. Okay. Then now the future we will see. This is the Six of Pentacles. That means you are generously you are giving to poor people, needy people. Help, you will help a lot to others. Even if it is a love relationship, you are maybe you are like forgiving the other person. Okay, so the person is heart broke your heart, right? And he like misbehaved or cheated on you. So you earlier you were heartbroken. Now you are becoming a big person. Like you are feeling that you are a matured person. You are feeling that okay, I will forgive that person. Okay, anyways, I want to move on, right? So I don't want, I will give my love from my side, and let the other person understand when he or she will understand. So you are becoming a matured person. You are thinking in a matured way. You are giving your love generously. You are giving your support to the other person. That he or she will be doing their own, like you are motherly, fatherly, you can say, guidance you are giving to the other person. Generously you are giving your thoughts, feelings, your love. Okay, then this is a very positive card. Queen of Cups is full of love. Okay, so whatever this person has done to you, you are forgiving that person, and you are waiting to offer your cup of love. Okay, so the other person also will understand. This is a very positive card. So maybe you will have some reunion or reconciliation when it comes to love or like a relationship. Maybe you are separated because of this cheating or backstabbing. So you are coming back together. You will have reunion in the month of May. If not directly, personally, physically, but at least the talks will happen and it will be clarified to you. It will be clear to you. The situation will be clear to you. Okay. This is a very good reading, friends. Started with pain and sadness, but ended with a very good card, Queen of Cups. So if you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, friends. I will continuously do all the videos whichever you ask for, whichever you like. Okay, so I will make all the videos every day. Thank you so much, friends. Let's move to pile number 4. This green color earring. Let's see what card says. Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please guide us, give us some clarity. Please shower your blessings on us. Please guide us, give us some clarity. Thank you. Okay, we'll need 6 cards, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we need 6 cards. I've taken 6 cards. Let's see. So we have arranged the card. Let's flip and see our fortune. Wow, King of Cups, Seven of Swords, Queen of Swords. King and Queen are here only. Page of Cups, communications. King of Swords, very nice. Then Eight of Pentacles. Okay. In this situation, I can see there is love triangle is going on here. Okay. King of Cups, King of Swords, Queen of Swords. Okay. There are one female and two male. So it can be vice versa also. It can be one male and two female also. It can be vice versa. But something is going on here like a love triangle. Then this says that this is young man, a young person, young boy actually. So this boy is taking away, it's kind of a thief, cheating energy, backstabbing. So this person is taking all your swords and going laughing, like smiling and going away, sneaky behavior actually. So maybe the one person is stalking you in the social media. He's continuously observing what you are doing. Actually, he loves you. He or she, that person loves you also, but he has no courage to take action. So he's stalking you in the social media. He's thinking about you actually. He's deeply thinking what to do. This King of Cups is a very positive card. It is a love card. This person is very strong, matured, influential person. This person is thinking of you, what to do, how to proceed in this connection. He is thinking. Okay. Queen of Swords also. Queen of Swords is also a very strong woman. She is also sitting in her throne and she is waiting for the king. But as you can see, these kings are looking forward, looking front, but this lady is looking away. Okay, this queen is looking away. That this King of Cups is looking at her. Okay, King of Cups is looking at her, but this Queen is looking away actually. Her thoughts are different. She is thinking of something else. Maybe she is thinking about the society or her career or her education or whatever it is. This Queen is thinking something else, but the kings are waiting. This King especially, he wants to take some decision. Okay, this person is deeply thinking about you and he wants to take some decision. And in other words, this person is very stubborn, like very angry, strong person. He wants to take action immediately. This person, one of the person will take action immediately, but this other person will have lot of love for you. He's very much in deep thinking and he's matured person. He will do the best, even though does the things little slow also, but he does the work properly and he wants to offer his cup of love. Okay, this Page of Cups is a young, young person. He wants to offer his cup of love. Okay, I can strongly see air sign person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and either you can be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or your partner, your lover will be the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. And also I can strongly see that the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you or your person can be any of this sign. In this reading I can't see anything else, like I can't see any career or I can't see any education. It is completely about relationships and love. Okay, this reading is love reading actually, because I can't see anything else. Only I can see cups and swords. So it is relationships, conflicts and love. Okay, this Page of Cups is communication. This person is coming towards you to offer his cup of love. Okay, whoever is the person. So you have two kings also. So the King of Cups will come to offer his cup of love to you. So the water sign person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is deeply in love with you. So this person is coming towards you to offer his cup of love, and he is a messenger actually. So he is not ready to take action right now, but he will communicate, he will contact, maybe call, message, or like some email kind of a thing. This person will definitely contact you, this water sign person. This Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, he is still angry, or he is stubborn. like some ego party is going on here. This person must be thinking that what should I do, why should I contact why should I contact, why can't that other person will contact me, like that. This person is in sitting stubborn in his on his throne and waiting for you. This person is waiting and this person will communicate. This is very kind hearted person, so this person want to communicate. And this person is earlier he is having some sneaky behavior, backstabbing, then player flirt energy, but this person is very very attractive, charming. You like him a lot, you are attracted towards this person. But this person in the past he had this kind of behavior, so you were moving your face outside because you are thinking that, oh, I don't want any of them. You are very much like you don't want any of them, kind of you are like turning your face away from them. Then this Eight of Pentacles. So this person is you are actually not this person. You are actually concentrating on your finance. Okay, so Pentacles means finance. You are thinking about your money, how to build your money, how to improve your money status and all. So you are constantly thinking about your future, your career, your job. So you are into your own world. These people are into their own worlds. Okay, these two are cups energies. They are very loving, caring. This Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, they want to come towards you. And these swords also, they love you so much, but still they have some sneaky behavior, then some kind of a stalking nature. And you are into your own financial mode, then you want to think about your finance future, how to build a home, how to earn money. So you are into this kind of world. Okay friends, this is the reading for month of May 2020. I hope this reading is clear to you and hope you liked it. I hope it is resonated with you. Thank you friends for watching this video, and if it is resonated, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I am so thankful for your comments and your likes and your views. I am very much thankful to you all. Thank you friends. See you tomorrow with another pick a card reading. Thank you. Bye.